guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases video. Hey! Let's get into it. So this will be all available Wednesday at noon Eastern. As per always, we do unlimited stock on all new releases that we make in shop, so like not foil items, for the first 48 hours. And then we do have our wiggle, which will be on a special price for the first 48 hours as well. But quickly, prior to us going into that, I did want to show you the two mini kit exclusives that came to the shop last week. I did want to address mini kit exclusives really quickly. I've gotten some messages about, mini kit exclusives don't work for me because I'm an ultimate girl. This is not like a permanent thing. This is I'm 8 months pregnant. Kirsten was just in a car accident, so she was out of work. Emily's has things going on. It's just kind of like the beginning of the year, and we're not used to it being this busy for some reason in January and February. That's my honesty. And we're also switching to our new format, so we have a lot more that we're releasing. So honestly, it's probably not going to make a ton of sense to everyone, especially because I do make more money on Ultimate, so why wouldn't I? But it's just like a giant juggling act that I have to figure out with stock every week. It's like, Kirsten, what can we produce? And Emily has to collate everything, and she has to do all the orders, and what can Emily handle and what can I handle, and it's a thing. So and I'm also pregnant, so it's just there's a lot going on. This is not a permanent thing of me doing just mini kit exclusives all the time for new art. Like I said in the past couple of videos, there's only 3 more releases, I think, until we switch to the new format. And then I don't have a ton of kits that I'll be releasing every week, trying to get all of the old format stuff out. So please bear with me. I apologize. I get it. But it is a giant juggle. It's honestly always a juggle with stock and what we can stock, what we can't stock, how much we could stock, what's going on. I personally don't like stocking more than I can handle, just because I like to have everything out as fast as possible and keep everything efficient. And especially for Emily, packing orders, I don't want it to be too complicated and too wild. So yeah, it's honestly a lot, and it's just all behind the scenes stuff. But like I said, I promise we won't be doing very many mini kit exclusives in 3 weeks. So just bear with me till then for new art. But that is my spiel. But these 3 kits actually came out last week, and they were not included. I gotta readjust. They were not included in new release video because I had filmed that prior to going on, I guess I'm calling it my baby moon, because it was my last vacation prior to I'm stuck at home now. Yeah, and I'm exhausted from it. But this came out last week, but it is still available. I try and stock so the mini kit exclusives, I can stock 2 times as many or even more than if I stocked Ultimate and Mini. So these are still in stock. I'm gonna try and keep them in stock as long as possible. These are super cute. So this one is called Pretty in Pink. So it's kind of like Harry Potter, Disney, kind of just planner vibes, which is cute. I don't know. I think I want to use this in May. I did use a mini kit exclusive in my plan with me for this week. I did use 2 label samplers, and it definitely was a lot of work, but it worked out for me. It was a little bit hard, I think, especially because it was a Disney week, so it was a lot of things I wanted to put in. The freebie in here is 2 extra full boxes, which I think is really awesome. So that is the freebie, so you have a lot of full box options there. But yeah, it was a Disney week, so there's a lot of things I wanted to put in, but I'm hoping that with a regular week, it shouldn't be as difficult, but I'll show you guys that probably in May. There is the option if you want to add on the glitter. There's an option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. And then the other kit, which was sold really well, is the Fun in the Sun kit, which is a really pretty light pastel beachy kit, which is super cute, kind of resort beach vibes. So as the full box page, you have the deco page, you have the functional page, you have the half boxes page, and then last but not least, you do have the bottom washi, the regular munchkin head freebie. And I just think this is such a pretty kit. It's gonna look really airy and beachy in your planner, and I feel depending on what foil you go with, it could really give it a different vibe. So that is the mini kit, and then there was options if you wanted to add on the 15mm strip. There's options if you wanted to add on the glitter headers, the label sampler, and then last but not least, there's also some fashion girl options as well. So those all were both released last week, but I just wanted to show you guys on camera just because I feel it's easier to see. Now we'll go into the Okay, let's go into the foil releases for this week. So the first thing I do have here is the wiggle for this week. It is a really pretty sparkly blue. I love the sparkles in this. I'm going to try and get a close-up for you guys, but it is in the twinkle format, which is probably the fan favorite is the twinkle format. So you have the 15mm strip, you have the icons and the like SPC things down on the bottom, you have the script sampler, you have the 6 sheets here with the 7 headers, the 14 half cut headers, and the 2 full box overlays, the icons and the date numbers, the food and drink doodles, and then last but not least you do have the deco sampler. So that is the wiggle for this week. It will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern to Friday at noon Eastern. It's gonna be super pretty with a lot of summer kits, and even winter be really pretty as well. I do have some regular foil releases this week, probably 3 of the most requested ones, since we have like SPC girls have been using them in their planner. So the first one here is a fast food sampler. So you do have McDonald's, Sonic, Taco Bell, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, and Burger King. Super cute. That was like really requested by Emily TBH. And then there is also Coffee Run. We do have Starbucks, I think a Starbucks run or Starbucks in the shop. But Coffee Run was requested as well because not everyone drinks Starbucks, of course. And then last but not least, probably the highly requested one is nap. There's a ton of nap stickers on here because nap is such a short word, but that I have been using my planner a ton. So those all come in all 4 foils. So those will be in the shop Wednesday at noon Eastern. I do have 2 mini kit exclusives this week featuring art that was released this week. The first one here is called Seeker of Magic, which is a really pretty like bookish purple kit, which you guys seem to really like the book art by Kidness Jess. So when I saw this art was released, I thought, what the heck, let's do it. Let's do a little mini kit exclusive moment. So you do have the munchkin heads here. Then a ton of different like magical book type elements here. You have your functional and deco, functional half box and headers, and then the bottom washi. And this is in the new format. All of the newer mini kit exclusives have been in the new mini kit format, which to the naked eye there's not really much different about it. So yeah, that is Seeker of Magic right there, and I love the colors in this. They're really pretty, like deep purple. I don't really do a lot of deep purple, so the fact that this artist included that was really cool. And then there's the glitter headers and the label sampler if you want to add that on. And then this one's super cute. I'm going to use this one in summer, and this is Kidness Jess art. She's been telling me about this for a while, and I have been super excited about it. So it is Sailor Moon inspired. I know nothing about Sailor Moon, TBH. I literally know nothing, but I'm still going to use this because I think it's just a really cute, like, summer-esque kit. Oh no, Nick just texted me. Okay, so this is the full box page. I, like, literally love everything. I think it has Sailor Moon elements. I know what parts are Sailor Moon, but I feel like also it's just kind of, like, cafe girly cute, which I feel like Jess does really well. So this is the full boxes page. And then there is the deco, weekend banner, and other things. Like, this is just so cute. It's just like really, like, honestly, the word is cute. I love these colors. I think they're super, super pretty. You have your half boxes page, and then the bottom washi is so cool. This is one of those kits that if you have a foil, let me pull out some. Like, they're like, and I feel like any foil would look like, make this look so cool. So there's like, you know, you could do the like lavender hollow with this. You could do sparkly hollow, obviously. I mean, regular hollow, sparkly hollow. Here's like a pink. This one is in the heart format, but like a pink would be cool. Like this one would be super cool. The like, the white, I don't know what we call this, like pink sapphire or something. You could do like the blue that came out. It would be fun. Like really any foil color. There's some even ones that are on sale, like the $10 sale that I think would look really cool. So there's a purple. Here's like another blue. But like I feel like the colors in this are just so fun. And then I think my personal pick would, well, I don't know, because I really like this like hot pink color with it. That was one of the heart ones. I don't know. I'm going to have a lot of like big decisions to make here actually. I don't know. I lied. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. There's like the purple one. That'd be really cool. I think, is there green in this? No, there's no green. But there's like a lot of options here that I think would be really cool with this kit. So I would definitely use this. If you get this kit, my binder's like broke. If you get this kit, I would definitely like think about using like a really fun foil because I feel like it really lends itself to it. And then the freebie is the double box girls, which I thought were super, super cute. I love the girl in the yellow. I'm just like obsessed with yellow. I almost use yellow as one of the 4 colors, but decided against it. But I really thought about it hard because I really love the color yellow right now. So that is the mini kit. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. There's the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then last but not least, there is also the option if you want to add on the fashion girls, which are super cute. Okay, so those are the mini kit exclusives this week. Again, same spiel as the beginning. I do have 3 kits that are coming out this week that are not mini kit exclusives. Like I said, I'm trying to get out all the kits in the old format that we have like on backup. We do have 1 exclusive art and then the rest are not exclusive art, I don't think. No. So this one here is called Pastel Planner, and these all have been done for quite a while, I believe. So let's go ahead and get into these. So let's like, open her up. All right, so the first thing here is the full box. This is just like your most basic pastel rainbow planner kit. So super cute, love it, adorable. And I love the glitter in this. I think it might be on the Weekend Banner, but it's like a really pretty like multicolor faux glitter. You have your extra full box here. You have your headers, your little things. Oh yeah, here, that's really cool. That's like throughout. You have your deco page, and then you have your bottom washi and also your munchkin head freebie. Super cute, just super like quintessential planner girl, which I love. A perfect anytime kit. That it's just gonna be so pretty. Another one that I feel like you could pair with a lot of different foil colors, but also be really pretty with silver. It also does come in a mini kit, and then there are some add-on options. So there's a 15mm strip, which is super fun. There is also the glitter headers if you want to add those on, the label sampler, and then last but not least, you do have some fashion girls if you would like to add those on as well. Then we have 2 non-exclusive kits of art that came out quite a while ago, but I thought was really pretty. So this one here is called Good Times. Emily really loves this kit. So this is a really pretty like spa relaxing kit. So the scene itself is exclusive art, and then the other art is older TWG art that I didn't end up using, but I thought was really cute. So I just wanted to pop this into the shop. So this is just like I said, like a really like zen, relaxing spa anytime kit, which is, all of these are pretty anytime. I really like the colors. I feel like they're really unique. You have like a floral box here, which would be great for a quote box. And tons of deco over here, and then you have your bottom washi, which is really, really pretty, and the munchkin head freebie. And again, that kit is called Good Times. Really like it. Again, anytime, which is perfect to have in your collection. It also does come in a mini kit, and then there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, the label sampler, or the glitter headers. And then last but certainly not least, we do have a Salty Air, which also does come in a mini kit, and this is a really pretty like anytime kit, but definitely has a lot of summer vibes to it. And I really think you guys are gonna like the colors of this one. Really pretty, beachy, airy, like boho kind of feeling. So this is the full boxes page, which is just super pretty and cute. You have the ombre heart checklist, the half boxes page, the functional page. You have the like icons page, little things, headers, deco, and then your bottom washi, which is super cute. Munchkin head freebie in the back. Again, it also does come in a mini kit option as well. And then, oops. And then this is the option if you want to add on the label, 15mm strip, the label sampler, and then also the glitter header. So that is everything for this week. It's quite a lot. I know, like I said, I'm trying to get out all of the old format stuff before we release the new format on March 25th. So that is Salty Air. You have Good Things. You have an exclusive art collection, which is called Pastel Plans. We also have the mini kit exclusive Milky Way Cafe, as well as the mini kit exclusive Seeker of Magic. And then I did show you guys these 2 kits that came out last week. And then again, for foil, we do have this week's Wiggle, which is a really pretty sparkly blue. We have the fast food sampler, the coffee run, and then also nap. So that is everything that is coming out this week. Quite a lot again, but I am excited, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.